Solved problems. How to prepare departmental profit and loss account. Soji runs two departmental stores for suya and tea. The following balances were extracted from his ledgers at 31st December 1996. Sales: suya 5000 credit, tea 4500 credit, stock 1196, suya raw meat 200, tea 250 debit. Purchases: raw meat for suya 2000 debit, ingredients for suya 500, tea bags 1000 debit, milk and sugar for tea 600 debit, sundry expenses for suya 300 debit, salaries of assistants of suya 600 debit, tea 400 debit, electricity 240 debit, cleaning 110 debit, general expenses 200 debit, debtors 3100, total debits 9500, total credits 9500. You are giving the following additional information. Stocks at 30th December 1996. Soya raw meat 50, tea bags 40. Electricity, cleaning, general expenses are apportioned equally between the two departments. Prepare in departmental form the soya and tea trading profit and loss account for the year ended 30th December 1996. Departmental profit and loss account. Particulars: soya sales 5000 credit, less operating expenses, opening stock 200, purchases raw meat 2000, ingredients 500, closing stock less 50, total cost of goods sold 2650, gross profit 2350, less non-operating expenses, sundry expenses 300, salaries 600, electricity 120, cleaning 55, general expenses 100, total non-operating expenses 1175, net profit 1175. Departmental profit and loss account. T. Particulars: sales 4500, less operating expenses, opening stock 250, tea bags 1000, milk and sugar for tea 600, less closing stock 40, minus cost of goods sold 1810, gross profit 2690, less non-operating expenses, salaries 400, electricity 120, cleaning 55, general expenses 100, total non-operating expenses 675, net profit 2015. Departmental profit and loss account. Total sales 9500, less operating expenses, opening stock 450, raw meat 2000, ingredients 500, tea bags 1000, milk and sugar for tea 600, less closing stock minus 90, cost of goods sold 4460, total gross profit 5040, less non-operating expenses, sundry expenses 300, salaries 1000, electricity 240, cleaning 110, general expenses 200, total non-operating expenses 1850, net profit 3190. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.